Hello everyone, welcome back to our Quality Management Principle Training series. Have you ever wondered why the successful companies from Apple to Toyota, from Amazon to your favorite local restaurant keeps on improving every day? Why don't they simply stop after become successful? Because success is never permanent. If they stop improving, someone else will improve and replace you. Today's topic is one of the most powerful quality management principle in ISO 9001. Improvement. This principle is not only applicable to business, it applies to each one of us. In fact, improvement is the reason for the civilization progress, technology advance, companies grow, and individual become successful. So, let us understand this principle with a simple example, practical scenarios, and a real life stories. Let's ask you something. What if there had been no improvement over last 100 years? We would still be writing letters instead of sending WhatsApp message. We would still be traveling by bullock cart instead of the high-speed trains. Hospital would still using the outdated equipments. There would be no smartphone, no internet banking, no online banking, no electrical vehicle, no artificial intelligence. Everything around us exists because something believed there is always a room for improvement. Improvement is not optional, improvement is survival. Think about your life. You want better road, you expect uninterrupted electricity. You want the fast internet, you expect better healthcare. You want better schools, you expect better customer service. Wherever we look, we expect improvement. Now ask yourself, if individual expect improvement, if the society expect improvement, if customer expect improvement, when shouldn't organization also continue improve? Absolutely yes. Many people think improvement is only for organization. That's not true. Improvement starts with individual. Why are you watching this training? Because you want to improve your knowledge. Why do professionals attend certification course? To improve their career. Why do employees pursue higher education? To improve their salary. Why do the people exercise? To improve their health. Why do families save money? To improve their future. Every decision we make is driven by one common goal, to become better than yesterday. That's improvement. Now let's move into the business world. Why does an organization exist? Is it only to manufacture product? No. Is it only to provide service? No. Organization exists to create value and to improve and to continue creating value. They must continually improve. If they stop improving, competitors will take them. Customers will leave, cost will increase, profit will reduce. Eventually, the organization may disappear. History has shown this repeatedly. You may often hear the management discussing two important terms, top line, bottom line. Let's understand this. Top line. Top line means the revenue or sales generated by the organization. For example, last year's sales were $10 million. This year, organization want to achieve $12 million. This is improvement in the top line. Bottom line. Bottom line are referred to the profit. Suppose your company increased sale, but production cost also increased significantly, revenue increased, but profit did not. That is not a sustainable improvement. Successful organization focus on improving both higher revenue, higher profitability. Every organization is trying to answer the question like, how can we reduce the cost? How can we improve quality? How can we reduce defect? How can we satisfy customer? How can we deliver the product faster? How can we enter new market? How can we become more competitive? Every strategic meetings, every improvement project, every management review, every internal audit ultimately aim at one thing, improvement. ISO 9001 says successful organizations have an ongoing focus on improvement. Notice one important word, ongoing. Not one time, not occasional, not once in a year. Improvement must be part of the organizational culture. Imagine you clean your house only once. Will it remain clean forever? Of course not. Similarly, an organization cannot improve once and stop forever. Machines wear out, customer expectations change, technology evolves, competitors innovate, laws change, market conditions change. Improvement must stop. Let's understand through a simple example. A restaurant receives repeated customer complaints. Food take too long to arrive. Management investigate. They discovered that the chef walked nearly 20 meters every hour just to collect the ingredients. What do? They redesign the kitchen layout. Ingredients are stored closer, preparation become faster. Waiting time reduce, customer satisfaction improve. No new employees, no expensive investment, only improvement. Imagine an automotive factory. Every day, 20 defective parts are rejected. Management studies the data. They discover one machine is slightly misaligned. The machine is calibrated. Employees training is conducted. Defect reduced from 20 to 3. Material waste is decreased. Production increase. Customer complaints reduce. This is continual improvement. Consider a bank. Customer wait 45 minutes to open an account. The bank studies customer feedback. They digitalize the form. Introduce online appointment, train employees. Now the account opening take only 15 minutes. Customers are happier, employees are less stressed. Business growth, again improvement. A hospital notice patients spend too much time waiting. They analyze the patient flow, separate emergency patients from the routine consultation, introduce appointment scheduling, increase nursing efficiency. Waiting time reduced dramatically, patient satisfaction improved, lives may even be saved. Many people think improvement means a huge investment. Not necessary. Sometimes improvement is very small. Changing the position of a tool, updating a checklist, improving communication, reducing paperwork, simplifying approval process, organizing workplace using Fiverr. Small improvements every day become a massive improvement over time. Organization generally improves in two ways: continual improvement and breakthrough improvement. Let's discuss about the continual improvement first. Continual improvement. Small improvements every day, like reducing paperwork, improving housekeeping, reducing mission setup time, improving communication, that is Kaizen. Breakthrough improvement. Major improvement, installing automation, launching a new completely product, implementing ERP software, changing manufacturing technology. Both are different. Where do improvement opportunities come from? Organizations should look for the improvement opportunities from many sources: customer complaint, customer feedback, internal audit, external audit, employee suggestion, supplier feedback, risk assessment, performance indicators, non-conformities, corrective actions, management reviews, benchmarking competitors. Every one of these provide the valuable opportunities. Improvement is not only the management responsibility, everyone contributes to it. Operators, technicians, engineers, supervisors, managers, even housekeeping staff. Sometimes the best improvement ideas come from the employees working close to the process. That's why the successful organization encourages employees' participation. Improvement is closely connected with the PDCA cycle. Plan, identify opportunities, set objectives, and develop improvement plans. In do phase, implement the improvement, train employees, and execute the plan. In check phase, measure result, analyze data, and compare with the target. In act phase, standardize successful improvement and correct failures. Begin another improvement cycle, then repeat again and again. That is continual improvement. Now comes another very important concept. Improvement should never be based on guesses. It must be based on the evidence. There is a famous saying, "In God we trust, everyone else must bring data." This perfectly explains the evidence-based improvement. Imagine a manager says, "I think customers are unhappy." Someone asks, "How do you know?" The manager replies, "I just feel so." Is it enough? No. Now imagine another manager says, "We received 245 customer complaints this month. Delivery delays increased by 80%. Customer satisfaction dropped from 94% to 87%. Late deliveries increased because machine downtime increased." Now the decision is based on fact. This leads to effective improvement. Organization collect many type of information: customer complaint, customer satisfaction surveys, internal audit finding, supplier performance, production efficiency, machine downtime, employee competency, training effectiveness, process capability, defect rate, warranty claims, delivery performance, quality objectives, financial performance. All this data help the organization to identify improvement opportunities. Now let's listen to a real manufacturing story. A factory believed one machine caused most defect. Management wanted to replace it. Before spending millions, they analyzed the production data. Surprisingly, the machine was not the problem. The defect occurred only during the night shift. Further investigation showed that new operator had insufficient training. Additional training solved this issue. No expensive machine replacement was required. The evidence saved millions. Let's think about the benefit of improvement. Organization practicing continual improvement experience higher customer satisfaction, reduce waste, lower operating cost, improve employee engagement, greater innovation, better product quality, faster delivery, higher profit, stronger reputation, long-term sustainability. Now let's think about the key message. Improvement is not about becoming perfect. It is about becoming better than yesterday. Every small improvement matters, every employee matters, every idea matters, every lesson learned matters. Organizations that improve continuously survive. Organizations that stop improving slowly disappear. Let's quickly recap. Improvement is one of the 7 quality management principles. Improvement is required in our personal life and professional life. Organization must continually improve. Improvement should be increased customer satisfaction. Improvement helps improve both top line and bottom line. Small improvement create big result over time. Improvement opportunities come from data, audits, feedback, complaint, risk, and employee ideas. Effective improvement is always based on the evidence and fact, not assumptions. Continual improvement is achieved using PDCA cycle. Thank you for joining today's section. If you found this training useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. In our next section, we will explore another important quality management principle with practical examples from manufacturing, healthcare, oil and gas, automotive, and service industries. Until then, remember, continuous improvement is better than delayed perfection. Keep learning, keep improving, and keep building quality into everything you do. Thank you, and see you in the next section.